what exactly does a managed IT services company do? You might have heard of outsourcing your business's IT to a managed service provider, MSP. Hey everyone, Stan here from Stan's Garage, channel for bringing you everything you need to know for effective business IT management. So I have been running my Los Angeles-based managed IT services company, STG Infotech, for over 15 years. And one of the questions I often get is, what does an IT service company specifically do for other businesses? Well, when it comes to your business, managing IT infrastructure efficiently and effectively can be a daunting task, especially if your business does not have a dedicated internal IT staff. Managed IT services company like ours, STG Infotech, are outsourced partners for your businesses that provide a wide range of proactive IT support and services. Now, these services include, but don't limit you to, things like network monitoring and maintenance, cybersecurity support and protection, data backup and disaster recovery, cloud computing solutions, and all sorts of other IT consulting and support services. Essentially, an IT service company handles all aspects of a company's IT infrastructure so that the business and its employees can focus on core objectives, free of worrying about technology not doing what it has to do. One of the primary responsibilities of a managed IT service company is to make sure that your business's network is running smoothly without any interruptions to your operations. Through proactive monitoring tools and techniques, IT teams will continuously monitor your network's performance, identify potential issues and vulnerabilities, and resolve them, hopefully before they can escalate into any kind of major problems. But you always have them to lean on for any technical questions whenever you're going to have. But by being proactive, your business isn't going to have to worry about extensive downtime. By having that relationship, you have someone who knows what you need when you need it and can solve it quickly. Waiting for a problem to happen and then address it is just not a wise choice for businesses these days. Obviously, the big one is cybersecurity. Your businesses are valuable to cyber criminals, and they're going to try almost anything to get in there, especially if you're not taking any proper precautions. Businesses can't risk losing sensitive assets and data. The managed IT services company is going to implement a cybersecurity plan to safeguard against threats like malware, ransomware, phishing, and data breaches. And not just things going bad too and causing downtime. These services include things like deploying firewalls and antivirus software, intrusion detection systems, providing security awareness training, and conducting regular security audits to identify any vulnerabilities and minimize those risks. Data loss can have a catastrophic effect on your business. You can face massive financial loss or irreversible reputational damage. The managed IT services company should offer a comprehensive data backup and disaster recovery plan. They will make sure all your critical data is securely backed up and that they can be quickly restored in the event that disaster strikes. Usually this step includes implementing an automated backup process that utilizes both on and off-site storage and recovery protocols tailored to what your business needs. Remember, all businesses are different and have to adhere to their own strict procedures. In my experience, I usually find businesses in one of two predicaments or somewhere in the middle. They're either transferring their entire business to the cloud after years without it, or they are creating their business in the cloud. The cloud has revolutionized the way businesses store, manage, and access data. It's only fitting that a managed IT services company helps you leverage that power. These teams have years of experience and can offer expert guidance when it comes to migration assistance and ongoing management of cloud-based infrastructures. And yes, these services ensure optimal performance, scalability, and security, whether it's public, private, or some kind of hybrid cloud solution. Beyond the day-to-day IT support, managed IT services companies offer invaluable guidance to help businesses align their IT initiatives with ongoing goals and objectives. They will assess your current IT infrastructure and identify areas of improvement to develop customized IT roadmaps for your business. I know this is a lot to absorb, but let me just tie this up, put a bow on it for you. A managed IT service company is a business's tool to handle all aspects of its IT environment. You want to run your business. You don't want to think about IT. You don't want to worry about IT holding you back. With an IT service provider, You've got a reliable team of experts available to you for all things technology without the overhead. Yes, it is going to be less money than hiring someone in-house. It's a great way to unlock new opportunities for growth and innovation. As always, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this. If you've got questions on what managed IT services companies do and what they can do for your company, feel free to contact us. There's a scheduling link in the description below. And if you want to speak to an IT specialist about anything, feel free to schedule a time. So thank you for watching Stan's Garage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more technology content.